Morning, I was thinking about the movie Idiocracy, and it was about a government that was being run by stupid people. And it was about this hypothetical about like so many years into the future, there's going to be an idiocracy, basically. It was a sci-fi comedy kind of movie, and there was like massive inflation, and they couldn't figure out why the crops weren't growing, and it was because they were like watering them with some kind of like green soda substance instead of watering them with water. And they couldn't understand the most basic stuff, that inflation was out of control. The popular people had gotten elected into public office as one person instead of like competent people, and on and on and on. And I think to myself, that's not a hypothetical anymore. We are living in the idiocracy. It has happened. And our government, in my opinion, is being run by stupid people that are incompetent and unfit to be there. And I'm not talking about one party or another party, or one politician or another politician. No, I'm talking about like the whole freaking government, pretty much. Like, there's few exceptions. We have stupid people, we have idiots running our government, okay? That's the conclusion that I've come to. And it's not just federal, it's all over. It's state, it's local, it's everywhere. Last night I spent way too much time, 29 minutes, reading the Merit System Protection Board final order that was issued after nearly 10 years. And, the highlight, or the low light, I should say, from that whole order was them defending lawyers who engage in misconduct. And it's actually public knowledge, public record, this order, along with too many others, because my right to privacy was denied. And they were saying that even if a lawyer is disbarred, even if a lawyer is drunk, has a drug problem, under criminal investigation, that they basically aren't going to help out the person, the client, who was last exposed to that person during this legal process. And it's like that in a lot of these legal venues, where they just literally excuse the most absurd behavior and they don't care. And why would they do that? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but I really just think that we are working in an idiocracy with our government. And it doesn't seem to be getting any better, only worse. And, right now we've got kind of those issues from the Idiocracy movie, some of them, like inflation, right? And agricultural issues. And it's like, it's very reminiscent of the Idiocracy movie. Now I'm just doing my hair this morning, thinking about how I have also become the veteran that I used to know when I was a kid in Florida, that literally complains constantly about the government, specifically U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. Like, I have literally become that veteran, except those veterans were all male. I'm a woman. So, yeah, I've become that veteran. And now I'm going to use the internet to tell everyone exactly how I feel.